How's it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you had a very joyous and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today being the first day of the new year, 2019, I just thought I'd give you a quick update of what's to come, plans I have, and hopefully some channel growth. So with all that said, I've got to run a few errands, so let's go out to the car and we'll take care of everything there. See you then. All right. Man, I tell you, these seats and leather feel so good. There ought to be some kind of animal rights activist involved somewhere, or some protest, you know what I mean? But let's get on the road. Turn that off. Don't want a copyright strike, huh? All right. First up, order of business. Like I said, I would like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. I thank all the support. The channel's been growing crazy. A lot of great comments, a lot of good conversation back and forth. I enjoy interacting with you guys. I enjoy the dialogue, and I enjoy hearing your thoughts and ideas. So thank you very much, each and every one of you. None of you are taken lightly. It doesn't matter if you're the first come, the last to come. It doesn't matter. Again, I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. I hope you have a very New Year, Happy New Year, I should say, because 2018 is now gone. We are now into 2019, today being the first day. And I hope everybody just has a wonderful year. I hope everything that your goals you have set for yourself, or whatever, whether it be buy a new house, improve on the house you got, your cars, doesn't matter. Whatever you have set for yourself, I hope that you reach it this year. I truly do. As far as myself, this channel, like I said, we've been growing crazy. Right now we're at 2,760 supporters. I appreciate each and every one. Wow, I never thought I'd see that many, much less one. So again, thank you very much. To do on the channel list, I finally have the tires coming for my 410. I had to for a while, and then I've had a few things come up, you know. Sadly, I had to take the money, you know. I had to start a new job, if you've been following the channel any length of time, and all that stuff. So I had to start a new job, so I had to use some of the money to help offset what I wasn't making. So I finally have the other two tires coming. I already have the wheels. So once those tires come, you will quickly see the new tires and wheels go on the 410 car. Some people will like them, some people will hate them. I know, that's just the life of what is YouTube. Nothing I can do about that, right? But it's gonna be fun. I think most of you will like them. It's not anything you haven't seen before, but with this day and time, the trends of how everybody's doing their cars and everything, it's a little bit different. Like I said, there's other people that's had them, there's other people that's used them, but I think they just look so good on the car when I saw them on another car that I just had to buy them. And no, they're not black. I'll go ahead and give you that tip. I put up a post, you know, earlier saying something is coming, and I posted a couple pictures and asked everybody what they thought would look best on my car. And naturally everybody said the black. No, they're not black. I'll go ahead and let that kid out of the bag. So with that said, I've got some more options that I want to do to the 410. I want to do new carpet in it, because I'm going to be putting new seats in it. So I got to looking, the last time I detailed it real good. The carpet is original to the car. It's 1993 carpet. it's starting to show signs of wear like everything else on the car, you know. So I figured while I have the seats out, putting new seats in, I'll go ahead and redo the carpet. So I've got that planned. I also have some suspension upgrades coming, or planned, not coming. They are coming to the channel, but they're not coming right this second. I have some suspension upgrades planned, such as lower control arms, the panhard rod, stuff like that, torque arms. And I'm thinking about putting in the tubular front K-member also. So keeping, oh God, man, tax dollars hard at work for. Keep on the lookout for that. It's coming. I have plans for this car that we're in right now, which is my 2012 2SS. I have plans for that as well. Suspension upgrades. I'm not really planning on tires or wheels, because the tires that are on it are like new, and the wheels on it, I actually like them. Believe it or not, I actually think they did a really good job with these wheels. If I was to upgrade the wheel package, I would upgrade it to the 1LE, the wheels. I really like the way the 1LE wheels look. So I like what I have, but if I was to upgrade it, that's what it would be. And like I said, suspension mods, maybe a little stereo work on this car, a few little small performance mods here and there to the engine. Always more car shows, cruise ins, stuff like that. I still have the Camaro by the numbers playlist that I'm going to start working on, because it's winter time, and you know I can't get out there and video cars and stuff in the winter time, because number one, they're not out there. Everybody's got them packed away for the winter, and number two, it's just too cold and rainy. So I'm going to be doing the Camaro by the numbers. I think you guys will really appreciate that. Anybody that doesn't know anything about the Camaros, or there's the Popo, anybody that doesn't know anything about the Camaro, or has been wondering about the Camaro, stuff like that, I think you'll really enjoy it. Stuff you probably didn't know. And I know there's one thing that 99% of you did not know about the 1969 Camaro, and I'll get to that when we get to that video. I just want to drop a little hint, a little teaser, if you will, about that. Like I said, more car shows, more videos. I've got more info on, I'm not going to say it's the 7th gen, but it will be about future Camaros. Will there be a Camaro? Will there not be a Camaro? Will it be hybrid? Will it be internal combustion engine? Will it be all electric? Don't know. GM and Chevrolet's keeping it tight to the tight-lipped and real close to the belt. But there are some clues out there that lead you to believe one or the other, or maybe both. So I'm going to delve into that a little bit more, because I did a video about that, and I'll post that up there. And I'm going to do a follow-up video to that, because some people, you know, everybody was very interested, and I am enthused over the interest in it, because there's a need for stuff like that, you know, to be put out there. Some of it's rumors and innuendos, I understand that, but you got to start somewhere, right? So with that said, people have called, some has made snide, rude remarks. You know, I'm dumb, I'm a dumb ass, I'm toothless, whatever. Doesn't matter. It doesn't faze me. I got thick skin. I can give it out just as easily as I could take it. So with that said, I don't go around looking for drama. But I will be doing a follow-up video to that, discussing more facts and stuff that I found out, stuff you might not have known, stuff you might have known. But we'll find out together, and that's what I got planned. So just get out there and enjoy your cars. That's what they're for. I'm out driving mine today. It is 67 degrees in January. Can you believe that? January 1st in North Carolina, 67 degrees. Wow, I can't believe it. And I'm on my way to AutoZone. Got me a gift card like a lot of people did for Christmas. So I'm on my way to AutoZone to pick up a few goodies. And until next time, guys, we'll see you in the next video. I just wanted to give you a quick what's coming for 2019. There's a lot to look forward to, a lot of information coming, and I hope you all stick around, because like I said, I enjoy each and every one of you. And by all means, on any of my videos, I don't care, new or old, if you see something you like, you don't like, whatever, make a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are about that particular video, what I could do better, because I'm here to improve. You know, you guys are watching, so I want you guys to see what you guys want to see. And I'm always open to constructive criticism and new ideas. I'm not one of those guys that are set in my way and I've got to do it this way. So I hope to hear from you soon. You guys take care. Have a more than blessed day. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.